from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2007 Toyota Camry 2.4 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to replace the alternator. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A 1/2-inch pipe to extend my 3/8 ratchet, two different type of 3/8 ratchet, 12mm socket, 14mm socket, 18mm socket, 1/4-inch ratchet, 1/4-inch extension, 8mm socket, 10mm socket, 8mm wrench, Phillips screwdriver, anti-seize, and dielectric grease. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. It's an alternator. Okay, first disconnect your battery, but I'm not going to disconnect the battery. I'm going to be just removing this main wire very carefully. If you don't feel comfortable, just disconnect the battery. Okay, I'm going to be disconnecting the main battery wire. Gotta be real careful because the battery is still connected. So with some black electrical tape, I'm going to wrap this end. Okay, remove this electrical connector. Push the tab and pull it out. Okay, removing this wire. Removing this mount. Okay, so I'm going to be removing the serpentine belt. There's an automatic tensioner down here. You gotta put one socket. This is an 18mm socket. Slack the tensioner and then remove the belt. Okay, to remove the alternator, there's two bolts, one up here and one below. One is going to be a 14mm socket, the other one is going to be a 12mm socket. Okay, this is the alternator. Everything looks the same. The mounting, the plugs, they all look the same. So now I'm going to be transferring this plate to the new alternator. So remove this screw to remove the plate. Putting on the new alternator. Putting some anti-seize on my bolts. Okay, tightening up the alternator. Okay, putting on the belt. tape on the wire. Put some dielectric grease in my electrical connector and clip it in. Fold up the mount. Okay, remove this electrical tape. So we're going to start up the vehicle. I'm going to start up the vehicle. Okay, the battery light went off. Now we're going to be checking the voltage, the charging voltage. Right now we have 14.05 volts. Perfect. All good to go. So that's how you replace an alternator. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and I see you in the next video. Aloha.